again.
Straight ahead, first down, touchdown, Missouri. Downhill, it's Andrews for the touchdown.
Taking a shot down deep.
34-17, and South Carolina has dominated.
Blitz is coming. Rebound. In trouble. Play fake, throws into the middle. Caught by Timmons at the 5, breaks the tackle. Back to Coles. He's throwing deep. Timmons wide open. He's got it. 10, 5, touchdown. Steps up in the pocket. It's deflected up into the air. It's intercepted. Touchdown.
Don't think for a second that this rebuilding job that Mark Stoops has started isn't way ahead of schedule.